Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your ultimate destination for the latest in fashion and beauty trends. Today we are diving into the world of elegant bohemian outfits, a perfect blend of free spirited style and sophisticated elegance. The bohemian or boho style is known for its relaxed and earthy vibe, but when paired with elegant elements, it transforms into a chic and timeless look suitable for various occasions. From flowing maxi dresses to intricate accessories, we are here to guide you through creating stunning bohemian outfits that exude elegance and grace. Bohemian fashion is characterized by its use of natural fabrics, relaxed silhouettes, and an eclectic mix of patterns and textures. However, the key to achieving an elegant bohemian look lies in balancing these casual elements with refined and polished details. Let's start by exploring some essential pieces that form the foundation of an elegant bohemian wardrobe. Maxi dresses are a staple in bohemian fashion and a perfect starting point for creating an elegant look. Opt for maxi dresses in luxurious fabrics such as silk, chiffon, or lace. These materials drape beautifully and add a touch of sophistication to the laid back bohemian silhouette. Look for dresses with intricate details like embroidery, beadwork, or lace trims to enhance the elegance of the outfit. A maxi dress is a neutral color palette like cream, beads, or soft pastels can be easily accessorized to create a refined and cohesive look. Another key piece is an elegant bohemian wardrobe is the flowy blouse. Choose blouses with delicate details such as ruffles, lace inserts, or bell sleeves. Pair these blouses with high-waisted trousers or a maxi skirt for a balanced and polished look. The combination of the structured bottom with the flowing top creates a harmonious silhouette that is both relaxed and elegant. When it comes to bottoms, white leg trousers and maxi skirts are quintessential bohemian pieces. To elevate these items into an elegant level, select trousers and skirts in high quality fabrics like linen, silk, or tailored cotton. High waisted styles help elongate and the legs and create a flattering silhouette. Pair these bottoms with a fitted blouse or a crop top to balance the proportions and add a touch of sophistication. Layering is a hallmark of bohemian fashion and it can also contribute to an elegant look when done thoughtfully. Layer lightweight cardigans, kimonos, or shawls over your outfit to add depth and interest. Choose layering pieces in complementary colors and textures to create a cohesive and polished ensemble. A lac kimono over a simple maxi dress, for example, adds a touch of elegance and visual interest to the outfit. Accessories play a crucial role in completing an elegant bohemian look. Opt for jewelry with intricate designs such as filigree beading or gemstones. Statement earrings, layered necklaces, and stackable rings can add a touch of glamour to any bohemian outfit. When selecting jewelry, consider pieces in gold or silver tones to enhance the elegance of your look. Avoid overly chunky or heavy pieces that can detract from the refined aesthetic. Hats are another essential accessory in bohemian fashion. Wide brimmed hats, fedoras, and floppy hats not only provide sun protection but also add a stylish and sophisticated touch to your outfit. Choose hats in neutral colors like beige, tan, or black to ensure they complement your wardrobe. A well chosen hat can instantly elevate a casual bohemian look to an elegant and polished ensemble. Footwear is an important consideration when putting together an elegant bohemian outfit. Opt for shoes that are both comfortable and stylish, such as leather sandals, ankle boots, or espadrilles. Avoid overly casual footwear like flip flops or sneakers as they can undermine the elegant aspect of your look. Instead, choose shoes with subtle embellishments or intricate designs that complement the rest of your outfit. Now that we have covered the essential pieces of an elegant bohemian wardrobe, let's discuss some specific outfit ideas to inspire your own bohemian looks. The outfit idea 1 is the effortless maxi dress. The outlet idea 2 is the chic bohemian blouse. The outfit idea 3 is the sophisticated bohemian skirt. Outfit idea 4 is the elegant layered look. Outfit idea 5 is the bohemian jumpsuit. Outfit idea when it comes to makeup and hair, keep the look natural and effortless. I hope this video will help you choose. Thank you for joining us at Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the beauty of elegant bohemian fashion and experiment with your own unique style. Until next time, stay fabulous.